Welcome everyone to IIHM USEC Protein Conclave. We are trying to find alternate ways of using soya as a healthy protein as a replacement to meat protein. In this context, we will now be preparing a tofu pakora, which we will be making in the traditional way in a chickpea flour batter, that is the besan batter. So, what we are going to do is we are going to make first marinate the tofu. Okay. So, very important for you to understand, if you have tofu which is very soft and it is very difficult to cut, then the best way to do is to steam the tofu, or you can also keep the tofu in the oven for some time, take it out, leave it outside for some time and then cut it. It will have lost a lot of moisture and at the same time it will have become firm. So, I have steamed this tofu. It was not very soft, it was fairly soft, but now it is nice and malleable, I can cut it. Okay, so, what I have with me is basically chickpeas. I have ajwain, I have some chaat masala, I have salt, I have some simple garam masala, I have red chili powder and I have dahi, yogurt, dahi, curd, whatever you wish to call it. Alright, so I will start by marinating the tofu. So, 3 fingers from this block, I will be placing this in the plate like this, because I will have to marinate this. Another one, and I think this is a little bigger, so I will trim it. Right, so I have this tofu now. So, what I am going to do is I am going to put some salt, a little bit of chaat masala, and if you wish, I like it this way, a little bit of red chili, and just move it around in the plate so that the tofu gets nicely coated. Okay, and we will leave it on the side for the time being. In case there is any other moisture inside, that is also going to get corrected with this, because we added salt. And what do you do with the batter? You take the chickpea flour or the besan, some ajwain, you can or you may not add ajwain. I am adding, just for flavor, I am adding a little bit of garam masala powder into this. I do not want the besan to taste bland. Some salt, a little bit more, and dahi. Okay, dahi goes into it. I am going to first put a little lesser. Okay, so the dahi will act as a leavening agent, a raising agent here, but at the same time it will not make our it will not make the pakoras soft. So, that is why I am using dahi. A little bit of water into the batter. Just make sure that you do not have any lumps, that is very important. And one more important thing which we generally neglect whenever we are making batters is the taste of the batter. I know it is not very pleasant to taste a raw batter, but then it helps. So, what I have done is I have made a fairly thick batter. I am not going to use it right away, I am going to keep it for at least 10 minutes, because we put dahi into it, it is going to rise a little bit. So, I am going to leave it like this, and after 10 minutes when I am checking it, in case I feel it needs more water, I will add more water. In case we feel it is okay, then we will use it exactly the way it is. Our tofu is marinated, has been marinating for the last almost 10-15 minutes, and we also made a batter which I have checked once again. I had to add another 15-20 ml of water into it, not too much. Okay, so it's basically dropping ribbon consistency. Okay, so we will use medium heat for frying. I'm going to take these one by one, dip them into the batter. You see that they already have a good amount of marination. You have to be a little careful with the tofu. Medium hot oil, all right. So we'll turn them over a little bit. If your batter is not very thick, if it is not too thick, then it will take maximum a minute to cook in the oil. Just make sure that the batter is evenly colored, what we call golden color, something like this, and take it out. The more you leave the chickpea flour batter in the oil for a longer time, the more the oil is going to become dark. Okay, they are done now. Tofu fries or the fingers of tofu, and I am now going to cool them a little bit and obviously get rid of these tails. There are a couple of tails still hanging, and then obviously we are going to serve them. I will be serving this tofu pakoda with two chutneys today. So we have a mint chutney, a normal regular mint chutney, and we also have saunt chutney. You can call it saunt chutney, tamarind chutney. People also call it imli ki chutney. So it is a combination of tamarind and ginger. Flavor is ginger, so that's why it's called saunt. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to serve our tofu pakoras. And some fresh coriander, a little bit of fresh coriander, and this is our tofu pakoda.